Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital Pro Productions. Today we're diving into another key element of photography, shutter speed. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use shutter speed to freeze action, create motion blur, and tell more powerful visual stories. Shutter speed controls how long your camera's sensor is exposed to light. Fast shutter speeds, like 1/1000 seconds, freeze motion. Slow shutter speeds, like 1/30 seconds or 1 second, let in more light and blur movement for artistic effects. Shutter speed doesn't just control brightness, it defines movement in your photo. Want to freeze a bird in flight? Go fast. Want to capture the flow of water or light trails? Go slow. Here's how you can use shutter speed creatively. Capture every detail of movement, perfect for action shots. Keeps your subjects sharp while maintaining natural handheld stability. Add motion blur for artistic storytelling. Use a tripod to avoid shake and capture more light. To control shutter speed, switch your camera to shutter priority mode, S or TV. You choose the speed, and the camera handles aperture. Or for total control, use manual and balance shutter, aperture, and ISO. Remember, fast shutter, less light, may need higher ISO or wider aperture. Slow shutter, more light, consider a lower ISO or smaller aperture to avoid overexposure. Shutter speed is your creative gateway to controlling time, one frame at a time. Here's your challenge. Take 3 photos of a moving subject, one at 1/1000, one at 1/60, and one at 1 second. Then compare how each tells a different story. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep creating with Digital Pro Productions.